In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort cards in a list using the Trello project board. Sorting cards is an essential skill for keeping your workflow organized and ensuring that your tasks are easy to manage. Whether you're sorting by due date, label, or any other criteria available, this process will help streamline your project management. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to access the project board where your cards are currently located. Open up your web browser and navigate to your Trello account. Once logged in, go ahead and locate the specific project board that contains the list of cards you wish to sort. This might seem straightforward, but having the right board open is a crucial first step to making sure you're sorting the right cards. Now that you have your project board open, look for the list containing the cards you want to organize. Each list will have 3 vertically aligned dots next to its title, located in the upper right corner of the list header. This menu button often contains various options that can be applied to the list as a whole, and in this case, it's your gateway to sorting. Clicking on those 3 dots will open a menu with several options. In this menu, you will find an option labeled Sort By. This is the feature you'll use to start the sorting process. It's helpful to remember that this menu offers different functionalities intended to make representing your data as flexible as possible, so don't be surprised if you see other options that may be useful in the future. Once you click on Sort By, you will be presented with a list of criteria you can sort by. This is where you get to decide which attribute of the cards should determine their order. Options might typically include sorting by due date created, or by name. Think about what aspect of the cards is most crucial for your current organizational needs. If deadlines are your main concern, sorting by due date will likely be your best bet. After selecting your preferred sorting criteria, observe how the cards in the list rearrange themselves according to your chosen attribute. The new order should match the logic of your selection, helping you stay more organized. Sorting your cards in this way on a regular basis can significantly improve the efficiency of your project board management and ensure that you're always on top of your tasks. There you have it. An easy way to sort cards in a list on your Trello project board. Remember that organizing your cards can lead to a notable increase in productivity and help maintain clarity within your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!